Hello dear aspirants, this is Dr. Sourav classes. Our contact number is 98367930076. Again, I am repeating our contact number, which is 98367930076. And our email ID is souravclasses@gmail.com. So if you have any mathematical queries, doubts or anything, so please feel free to contact on this number. That means you can call on this number or you can WhatsApp also. Rather, you can drop an email to our email ID, which is written in the screen. Then you can join our regular batches, our one-on-one sessions and our online classes. So that will be beneficial for your preparation of upcoming mathematical examinations like ISI, CMI, TIFR, NBHM, etc. And rather the various data science exams also, that CMI, like CMI data science entrance, GATE data science, etc. So please feel free to contact if you need any help from us. Okay, so now we are going to solve a problem which is appeared in the GATE 2025 in the data science section, and the question is telling us that limit, we have to calculate the limit t tends to infinity, and the given thing is, given function is root over of t square plus t minus t is equals to 0 minus t, and we have to calculate the limit. Okay, this is a very easy task. So what can be done here? So we have to only calculate this thing, the limit of this. So we have to only see that limit t tends to infinity, and we are going to calculate this limit. Okay, so we can multiply this thing in both numerator and denominator. Then we will get what? So that will be now equals to limit t tends to infinity, and that should be t square plus t whole square plus, sorry, minus, that will be t square. So we will get now t square plus t plus t. So that will be equals to what? Limit t tends to infinity. So we will get t square outside of this. So that should be now t square plus, okay, we can write it as t square plus t, and that should be t square plus t minus t, and denominator will remain same. Okay, so after that what can be done? So from this we can write limit t tends to infinity. Then we will get t square plus 2t, and in this case we will get only t square upon this. So we can take t outside of all of this. So we will get, let me check one thing, I have done something mistake or not. Okay, this thing is the biggest mistake here. Okay, so I have to erase this step. I have done a silly mistake, sorry. I thought that that will be that is only t square plus t, so that will be whole square. Okay, so that is now only t here. So we will get what now? 1 upon, that will be root over of 1 plus 1 upon t, plus that will be 1. So now it is what? So our 1 upon limit t tends to infinity, 1 upon t is 0. So the limit will be now 1 plus root over 1 plus 0 plus 1. So that is equals to 1 upon 2. Okay. So half is the correct answer of this question. So again, I am telling that if you have any other mathematical queries, doubts and anything, so please feel free to contact on this number. Then you can or rather you can drop an email to our email ID. Then you can enjoy all the services of Dr. Sorav's classes. Okay. Thank you guys. Hope you understood. Thank you.